Pakistan is a land of many wonders. From the towering mountains to the vast deserts, it is a country of diverse landscapes. Each region tells its own story with unique geographical features that captivate the imagination. The northern areas boast some of the highest peaks in the world, while the southern regions are home to expansive deserts that stretch as far as the eye can see. The diversity of Pakistan's terrain is truly remarkable. From the lush green valleys to the arid plains, every corner of this country offers something different. The contrast between the snow-capped mountains and the golden sands of the deserts is a testament to the natural beauty that Pakistan holds. In the heart of Punjab, nestled amongst fertile fields, lies the city of Hafizabad. This city, often overshadowed by its more famous neighbors, is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Surrounded by lush greenery, Hafizabad is a place where nature and history coexist harmoniously. This often overlooked city possesses a unique charm, boasting a rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty. The historical buildings stand as silent witnesses to the city's storied past, while the cultural landmarks reflect the vibrant traditions that continue to thrive here. Hafizabad is a city steeped in agricultural tradition. Its fertile lands have been a source of sustenance for centuries, earning it a reputation as a breadbasket of the region. The fields here are not just plots of land, they are the lifeblood of the community, providing food and livelihood to generations of farmers. The lush green fields of Hafizabad are a sight to behold. During the harvest season, the landscape transforms into a bustling hub of activity, with farmers working tirelessly to gather the crops. This age-old tradition of farming is deeply ingrained in the culture of Hafizabad, and it continues to play a crucial role in the lives of its residents. But Hafizabad is more than just its agriculture. It is a city with a rich cultural heritage and a vibrant community. The streets of Hafizabad are filled with the sounds of daily life. From the bustling markets to the quiet corners where people gather to share stories and traditions. It is a city with a story to tell, a story woven into the fabric of its ancient monuments and vibrant culture. The ancient monuments stand as a testament to the city's historical significance, while the traditional cultural events bring the community together in celebration of their shared heritage. This is the story of Hafizabad, a city where the echoes of the past resonate through the present, and where the rhythms of rural life continue to captivate the soul. The blend of old and new in Hafizabad creates a unique atmosphere, where history and modernity coexist in perfect harmony. The rural life in Hafizabad is a testament to the enduring spirit of its people. Traditional farming practices are still very much alive, and they form the backbone of the community. The simplicity and beauty of rural life in Hafizabad are what make this city truly special, a hidden gem in the heart of Punjab. Hafizabad is located in the northeast of Punjab province. This places it in the heart of the Punjab Plain, one of the most fertile regions on earth. The city is strategically positioned, with Lahore to its south and Faisalabad to its southwest. The climate of Hafizabad is typical of the Punjab Plains. Summers are hot, with temperatures often exceeding 40 degrees Celsius. Winters are mild and short-lived. The monsoon season, which arrives in July and lasts till September, brings much-needed rainfall, replenishing the land and nourishing the crops. These climatic conditions have shaped not only the landscape but also the lives of the people, influencing their agricultural practices and cultural traditions. The lifeblood of Hafizabad is the Indus River. This ancient river has been the cradle of civilization for millennia, nurturing the lands and the people who depend on it. This mighty river, originating in the Himalayas, carves its way through rugged terrains and deep valleys, gathering strength and volume as it descends. It flows through the region, bestowing its life-giving waters upon the thirsty land. The river's journey is a testament to nature's power and generosity. It is from this river that Hafizabad draws its agricultural prowess, transforming its plains into a patchwork of vibrant green fields. These fields are a mosaic of life, each plot telling a story of hard work and dedication. Wheat, the golden crop of Punjab, flourishes here. The fields of wheat, with their golden hue, sway gently in the wind, promising a bountiful harvest. Rice paddies shimmer under the sun, their emerald green stalks swaying gently in the breeze. The sight of these paddies is a visual symphony, a dance of nature that captivates the soul. Sugarcane, tall and proud, stands like a sentinel, guarding the fields. These towering stalks are a source of sweetness and energy, vital to the local economy. And then there are the orchards, bursting with the colors of citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, their sweet aroma filling the air. These orchards are a feast for the senses, a vibrant display of nature's bounty. The sight of these fields, stretching as far as the eye can see, is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the people of Hafizabad, who have turned this land into a true breadbasket. Their relentless efforts and unwavering spirit have transformed this region into a lush, productive landscape, ensuring food security and prosperity for generations to come. Hafizabad, named after the Sufi Saint Hafiz Muhammad, carries a rich historical legacy. The city's origins can be traced back to the Mughal era, a time when grand empires rose and fell, leaving behind magnificent monuments that stand as silent witnesses to their glory. The city's Mughal heritage is evident in its architecture, its cuisine, and even its language. Later, during the British Raj, Hafizabad emerged as an important administrative center. The British influence can still be seen in the city's infrastructure, particularly its railway station and government buildings. Today, Hafizabad stands at a crossroads, its past seamlessly merging with its present, creating a unique blend of tradition and modernity. Section 5. The Natural World, Flora and Fauna. Beyond the bustling city, the countryside of Hafizabad offers a sanctuary for a diverse array of flora and fauna. The region is a haven for nature enthusiasts and biologists alike, providing a glimpse into the rich biodiversity that thrives here. The agricultural fields, with their abundance of crops, attract a variety of bird life. These fields are not just a source of sustenance for the local population, but also a vital habitat for numerous bird species. From dawn till dusk, the fields are alive with the chirping and fluttering of birds, creating a symphony of natural sounds. During the winter months, flocks of migratory birds descend upon the wetlands, their calls filling the air. These wetlands serve as crucial stopover points for birds traveling long distances, offering them a place to rest and refuel. The sight of these birds in flight is a mesmerizing spectacle, drawing birdwatchers from far and wide. These feathered visitors come from as far as Siberia, seeking refuge in the warmer climate of Hafizabad. Their journey is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature. Each year they undertake this arduous migration, driven by the instinct to survive and thrive. The skies become a canvas, painted with the vibrant hues of kingfishers, bee-eaters, and hoopoes. These colorful birds add a splash of vibrancy to the landscape, their presence a reminder of the beauty and diversity of the natural world. Observing them in their natural habitat is a delightful experience, one that leaves a lasting impression. The flora of Hafizabad is as diverse as its bird life. The region boasts a wide variety of plants, from towering trees to delicate flowers. Each species plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance, providing food and shelter for countless organisms. The land is carpeted in lush vegetation, from the tall grasses that sway in the wind, to the flowering plants that add splashes of color to the landscape. This verdant environment supports a myriad of life forms, creating a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem. The interplay between flora and fauna here is a testament to the intricate web of life that sustains our planet. Section 6. Landmarks and Attractions, a glimpse into the past. Hafizabad, despite its modest size, is not short of historical landmarks and attractions that offer a glimpse into its rich past. The city is home to several mosques and shrines that stand as testaments to its Mughal heritage. These architectural marvels, with their intricate carvings and graceful domes, transport visitors back in time. One such landmark is the tomb of Hafiz Muhammad, the Sufi saint, after whom the city is named. This serene place of pilgrimage attracts devotees from far and wide, seeking blessings and spiritual solace. For those seeking adventure, a short trip to the nearby Chenab River is a must. The river, with its wide expanse and gentle flow, offers opportunities for boating and fishing. Section 7. The Rhythm of Rural Life. Life in rural Hafizabad follows a rhythm dictated by the seasons. The agricultural cycle governs the daily routines of the people, their lives intricately intertwined with the land. Early mornings see farmers tending to their fields, their silhouettes etched against the rising sun. The air is filled with the sounds of nature, the crowing of roosters, the chirping of birds, and the gentle lowing of cattle. As the sun climbs higher, the pace of life picks up. Evenings in Hafizabad are a time for community and togetherness. Families gather in courtyards, sharing stories and laughter. The aroma of freshly cooked meals wafts through the air, filling homes with warmth and comfort. Section 8. The Flavors of Hafizabad, Food and Markets. No exploration of Hafizabad would be complete without savoring the flavors of its local cuisine. The city's culinary heritage is a reflection of its agricultural abundance and its Mughal and Punjabi influences. The markets of Hafizabad are a sensory delight. Here, amidst the cacophony of vendors hawking their wares, one can find a dazzling array of fresh produce, spices, and traditional sweets. The air is thick with the aroma of spices, freshly baked bread, and sizzling street food. A must-try is the sarson ka saag and maki di roti, a traditional Punjabi dish made with mustard greens and cornbread. And no meal is complete without a glass of lassi, a refreshing yogurt-based drink. Section 9. A Journey to Remember. Hafizabad, with its unassuming charm and rich tapestry of history, culture and nature, offers a unique and unforgettable experience. It is a city that stays with you long after you have left, its memories etched in your heart. A journey to Hafizabad is a journey into the heart of rural Punjab. It is an opportunity to witness the simple joys of life, to connect with nature and to immerse oneself in a culture that is both ancient and vibrant. So come, lose yourself in the enchanting embrace of Hafizabad and discover the hidden gem of Punjab.